Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to draw very simple pixel art picture. I will draw for you ballerina girl, and I take for this picture black felt pen, blue, sky blue, brown, pink and red. Firstly, I take my black felt pen, and at the top part of the picture, at the center, I should paint 3 boxes horizontally. Now go diagonally and color in 2 boxes down. Now 2 boxes one by one diagonally. Now go diagonally to the left, and I should color 3 boxes down. If you draw with me and do not have time, mark these cells first and paint over later. Pause the video and paint over. Now go diagonally to the left and color in 2 boxes down. Now 2 boxes vertically here. Now turning to the right and color in 2 boxes to the right. 1 box up. From this corner go diagonally to the right and color in 2 boxes one by one. Now go diagonally to the right and color in 5 boxes to the right. Now drawing the same contour at the right side. Here we should paint 2 boxes vertically. Go diagonally to the right, coloring 2 boxes one by one. Now go diagonally to the right and coloring 3 boxes down. Now 2 boxes down and 2 boxes here. Now turning to the left and coloring 2 boxes horizontally. 1 box up here, and from this corner turning to the left, coloring 2 boxes one by one. From this box skip 1 box to the right, coloring 1 box here. Go diagonally to the right, coloring 3 boxes to the right. Now go diagonally to the right, coloring 3 boxes to the right. 2 boxes up here. And from this corner, 2 boxes one by one diagonally to the right. From this box skip 1 box down and coloring 1 box here. From this corner skip 2 boxes down and coloring 1 box here. Now from this box skip 1 box down, coloring 1 box here. Go diagonally to the left and coloring 2 boxes down. Turning to the left, coloring 3 boxes horizontally. From this box go diagonally to the left and coloring 4 boxes down. 1 box diagonally to the right. Go diagonally to the right, coloring 2 boxes to the right. And now go diagonally to the right, mark this box. From this box skip 1 box down and coloring 1 box here. Now go diagonally to the right and coloring 2 boxes down. Turning to the right, coloring 3 boxes horizontally. Go diagonally to the right and down, coloring 4 boxes. Now turning to the left, coloring 1 box diagonally. Turning to the left and coloring 2 boxes horizontally. And from this box go diagonally to the left, mark this box, and now we should color this line horizontally. Now from this box skip 1 box up and coloring 1 box. Go diagonally to the right, mark this box. From this box skip 1 box up and coloring 1 box. Go diagonally to the left, mark this box, and we should color this line from this box to this horizontally. From this corner skip 1 box to the right and coloring these 2 boxes. And from this corner skip one box to the left and color in these two boxes. Now we should draw legs to this ballerina girl. From this box skip 3 boxes to the right. 1, 2, 3, go down and color in 7 boxes down. From this line skip 1 box to the right and color in the same line 7 boxes. And one more time, from this box skip 1 box to the right and color in these 7 boxes vertically. Now we should color 3 boxes here and 3 boxes here. And 1 box coloring here. Now I take blue felt pen and color these 2 boxes by blue. Here 1 box and here 1 box. From this box go to the right and mark these 3 boxes diagonally 1 by 1 and these 2 boxes. And I should color these 5 boxes 1 by 1. Also by blue I color these 2 boxes at the legs and this box, these 2 boxes, this line, 2 boxes here, 1 box here. And from this corner mark these 2 boxes diagonally 1 by 1. From this box skip 2 boxes to the right and mark this box diagonally to the left and diagonally to the right. And here 2 boxes and color these boxes by blue. Now I take sky blue felt pen and color this 1 box by sky blue, these 2 boxes sky blue, here 2 boxes and 2 boxes here by sky blue, these 5 boxes and all these white boxes at the ballerina skirt I will color by sky blue. Now I take pink felt pen and color this box and this box by pink. Now I take red felt pen and color this box by red. Now I take brown felt pen and I'm coloring her hair by brown. That's all, I finished my drawing. As you see, it's very simple and colorful pixel art picture, ballerina girl. If you liked my picture, my video, please hit the like button under the video. Subscribe to my channel, see you soon, bye bye!